everyone, this is Steve with Rumble Auto Holdings, and we've got this 1982 Porsche 911 SC Targa. It's now available. I'm testing this camera, so be gentle on me. We've got some compromises here that I'm trying to figure out. But other than that, I'm hoping to take you guys for a nice ride in this very cool air-cooled Porsche. Targa top on this car was just freshly sealed, so it's good to go. And it's a real driver class car. It's got about 127,000 miles. You can enjoy this car. You don't have to sit it in bubble wrap in your showroom or garage. Go out and have some fun. Drive it the way Porsche was meant to be driven. And an air-cooled Porsche is something everyone should experience. It is such a remarkable and fun thing to drive. This car is equipped with a Momo steering wheel, as you can see, the 3-spoke. The stock wheel is not included with this car, just in case. But it's a very nice steering wheel, suits the car very well, feels great in your hands. Classic style. These earlier cars do not have power steering, which most of you should know. It definitely helps create a more invigorating feel of driving. You're very connected with this car through the pedals and with the steering wheel. These older cars are much smaller. They're very easy to place on the road. You have a lot of room compared to more modern cars, which are much larger, as you know.